Hi, my name is Anil Mentish and I will present the first part of our project. These are the members of our project. And the first step, we choose the location for the province. And these are the population data for Kishan from 2027 to 2021. Then we use several methods to estimate the population of that province to, to compute the water demand. These are the methods which will be explained widely on the next part of the presentation. The final of the first part, we suspect the estimation of water demand by taking that average data from several sources on the internet, like the cinema, theater, and also which will use which will be consume the water. And when we sum all of these members and divide to water, we find the flow rate as 0.4644 with the 30% error.
I am Ahmetcan Karaoğlu. In this section, I made population estimation calculations using four methods. First, I used arithmetical increase method. I made the population estimations for 2021 using the arithmetic increase coefficient values. Then I made the population estimation for 2021 using geometrical increase method, İller Bankası method, and curve fitting method. Next, I calculated the relative error percentage of all methods. The lowest error was in the İller Bankası method. Using this method, I calculated the estimated population for the year 2077. Now I hand over the presentation of other part to my friend Onur. Thank you.
Hi, I am Onur. I will try to explain the second stage. At this stage, we will delineate the watershed for our water supply project. We will do the operation with the QGIS program, and we can obtain the necessary data from the websites which are Earth Explorer and Earth Data. The first step is to choose the right projection for the region. By the way, our region is Keshan. Then we will obtain the digital elevation model. After that, we can use the Sucular command and simplify the river network. Finally, we should select a basin and we will conclude this step with using the absolute area command so that the program can calculate the basin area. After all these steps, our basin will look like this and the program will provide us the basin area. After this step, we can move on to getting the profile phase. I will now hand you over to my friend Haluk for the next step. Thank you for listening to me.
Hi friends, I am Haluk Akkuş. Now I will tell you the water route within the basin of which the area of Keşan district is determined. The purpose of this section is to determine the route of the water to be brought to the settlement and to create the elevation profile of this route. QGIS application was used while selecting the water route. In the application, attention has been paid to the fact that the beginning of the transmission line is a water source and is close to this route. The next part is the design calculations of the transmission line. In this section, you can see that the pipelines pass under the route on a route with a terrain profile. However, since the elevation profile is wavy, the transport of water does not occur by itself. In order to eliminate this problem, the piezometer line was artificially increased with the help of pumps. Since the maximum pressure height that the pump can produce is 45 meters, pumps are placed at the initial and 2 points. Depending on the distance between them, the piezometer line continues to decrease. The difference between the piezometer elevation and the elevation where the water line passes gives us the operating pressure. Pipes of 600 millimeters were used as the pipe diameter. Thank you for your attention.